Growing up in Jamaica, Christmas wasn't just a holiday, it was a whole vibe. From the smell of fresh paint on the wall to the sound of Christmas carols playing on the radio. It was the one time of year when everything just felt brand new. And if you grew up in Jamaica, you know Christmas wasn't just about gifts. As a matter of fact, for me, that wasn't even a thing. Instead, it was more about the food, the music, and the unforgettable moments that made you just feel alive, trust me. Let me start with the preparations, because Christmas in Jamaica didn't sneak up on you. It made a grand entrance. First, there was the annual clean and fix up the house mission. This is where parents insisted that everything had to be spotless. New curtains went up, furniture got rearranged, and some houses even got a fresh coat of paint. Because apparently you can't celebrate Jesus' birthday with chipped up walls. Then there was the Christmas breeze. That cool, crisp air that told you